Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. So students, today we are going to start our cursive workbook. Okay, so open page number 4 of your cursive workbook. First of all, write here today's date. Okay, then here you can see two squares. This green square is for classwork and this red square is for homework. So you all have to tick in this green square, it is for classwork, okay? And in the middle you all have to write your name. So now students, here you can see patterns, okay? So these are some patterns, and through these patterns you will learn how to write cursive, okay, and how we can join cursive letters with each other. Okay students, so let's start. Trace and draw the patterns. Okay, so here you can see first pattern. So here you can see two dots are given. Okay, first we will join these two dots, okay, like this. Okay, it is a slanting line like this. Okay, join. Here also draw slanting lines like this. Okay, here also. Okay students, next here you can see right open curve. Okay, so we will draw right open curves like this. Okay, first trace these curves, then here you will have to draw these curves. Okay, right open curves like this you all have to draw. Okay, here also. Now come to the next pattern. Here also you can see two right open curves are here, and we have to join these two right open curves like this. 1, then 2, 1, then 2, 1, then 2. Okay, here also 1, then 2, 1, then 2, 1, then 2. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Here also 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now come to the next. Next, it is like a S. Okay, so first we will start from here, then turn, then again we will come like this, then again we will move upwards like this, then downwards, then again upwards. Okay, here also first move upwards, then down, then turn, then up, then again turn, then down, then turn and move upwards. Okay, here also move upwards, then turn, then down, then turn, then again upwards, then turn, then down and move upwards. Okay, here also up, turn, down, turn, up, turn, down, turn and up. Okay students, now come to the next. Here you can see zigzag lines. Okay, so first we will follow this pattern. Okay, trace this pattern in this same manner. Okay, move upwards, then downwards, upwards, then downwards, upwards and downwards. Here you can see two dots are given. Okay, move upwards, then downwards, upwards, then downwards, upwards, then downwards. Okay, now here also you can see this pattern. Okay, but in this pattern first we will move downwards. In this pattern we have to move first upwards, okay, but in this pattern first we will move downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards. Here also downwards, then upwards, downwards, then upwards, downwards, then upwards. Here also downwards, then upwards, downwards, then upwards, downwards, then upwards. Now come to the next pattern. So this is upward curve, okay. So we have to join 3 upward curves like this, okay, 3, okay. Here also 1, then down, then 2, then 3. Here also 1, then 2, then 3, okay. Now come to the next. For this pattern we will follow this direction. First we will move downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards and upwards, okay. So draw with me. Downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards. Here also downwards, then upwards, then downwards, then upwards, then downwards and upwards. Here also, okay, follow this pattern and draw this. So one page is completed. Draw all these patterns in the same manner, okay, all the students. Now students, come to the next page, page number 5. We will do this page also. It is also a page related to patterns, okay. Here also we have to trace the patterns and draw the patterns. Again we have to write the date, okay, and again we have to take this classwork, okay. Now here you all have to write your name. Okay students, so first pattern, here you can see it is downward curve, okay, and here you can see 1 2 3 4 downward curves are here, and we have to join all these curves. So let's start. 1 2 3 and 4, okay, and we have to draw these curves in the middle line only, okay. 1 2 3 and 4. Here also 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay. Now we will draw this pattern also. It looks like V, okay, like this we have to join, okay. First we will draw one V, then we will join another one V like this again, okay, 3 times. 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, okay. Now come to the next. Here you can see it looks like O. So first we will draw one sleeping line like this, then we will draw one O and join this O. After that again sleeping line, then again O, then again sleeping line, then again O, and we will stop here, okay. Like this we have to draw here, sleeping line, then O, then sleeping line, then O, again sleeping line, and we will stop here. Here also sleeping line, then O, again sleeping line, then O, again sleeping line, then O, and stop here, okay. So follow this pattern. Now come to the next. Here you can see this is E, okay. So we have to draw 4 E and we have to join all these E's. So let's start. First we will start from here, then first we will move upwards, then downwards, again upwards and downwards, upwards and downwards, upwards and downwards, okay. So draw all these E in the middle line only, okay, like this. 1 2 3 and 4 and stop here. Okay, again 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so do this page in the same manner. Now come to the next. Here you can see these all are small C. Okay, so trace these C's with me like this. Okay, like this. Okay, first start from here, move upwards, then draw one C, again move upwards, then draw one C, move upwards, then draw one C, move upwards and draw one C. Okay, here also like this. Okay, now here you can see this is small L. Okay, so start from here, move upwards and touch this red line and move downwards. Okay, again like this, move upwards, then turn and downwards, upwards and downwards and stop here. Okay, here also draw all these L. Okay, here also move upwards, then downwards, upwards, then downwards, upwards and downwards, upwards and downwards. Okay, now next, here you can see it looks like J. Okay, so first move upwards, then downwards and touch with this blue line only. Okay, then turn and again draw one J like this, again draw one J like this and again and stop here. Okay, again draw one J, again like this you all have to draw. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now come to the next. These are curves also. Okay, like this we have to draw, turn, then turn, then turn and turn. Okay, here also like this we have to draw. Okay, students, so do these two pages with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, draw these all patterns properly. Okay, all these students, and these two pages should be neat and clean. Okay, all these students. Thank you, students. Bye bye.